Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great. All right, so for this week, remember ELD 3, periods 1 and 5. Today is the only day that we meet this week. So this video is going to show you what you're going to do. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to go into the link that I'm going to post in the Canvas assignment. Okay, I'm going to put all of this in Canvas, and I'm going to send you a reminder on Teams. So once you get to Canvas, you're going to go in and look for week 4, day 1, Wednesday, and you're going to have a link to join the News ELA class. And when you click on the link, it's going to take you to this screen. If you don't have a News ELA program, you've never gotten into News ELA, it's okay. Maybe you got in with your English class or your science class, and you do have a login, you click on I have a News ELA account. If you've never had one, then you click on it's my first time. And as always, remember to use your school email when you're signing up. It's super simple. You can say sign in with Microsoft or sign in with Google. And when the login comes out, you just choose your name. So it'll come out like this. Choose your name with the school email. You'll click on it. I'm going to use Miss Chia's as an example. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you for permission for all of these things. All you have to do is say yes, say allow. And it will create an account for you and it will put you in my class. And it'll say, it says, do you already have a News ELA? It's going to ask you again. Okay. And if you don't, you say no. If you do, you say yes. And once it takes you in, you will automatically be in my period 1 and period 5 class. Okay. So what you're going to do is you're going to come here where it says assignments. You're going to click on assignments. And you're going to have a couple of assignments. The one that I want you to do is just pick one of these that are here. Okay. I want you to pick one assignment, read it, answer the questions, take the quiz. And then on Monday, you're going to have a discussion. You're going to have to answer the questions that I put in there on Monday about what assignment you read. You need to make sure you click submit after you read and answer your questions, or else I won't get your answers and you'll get a 0. Okay? All right. The next for homework, because remember, you see, we meet today and then we don't meet again until next Tuesday. So the homework that I'm going to give you, that I'm going to want you to do at least 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, this is for Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Monday. Okay, if you give me 10 minutes, that's 10, 20, 30. That's only 40 minutes in 4 days, and actually in 5 days. So don't be lazy. I'm going to send you some PDFs for some of these documents. You're going to click on the document. This is an ELD1 example. Yours is going to be intermediate level. Once you click on the document, you're going to have to, you're not going to be able to write on it. So you're going to have to put your answers either in a Word document or put your answers in your notebook and then take a picture of your notebook. And you're going to have to turn them into me on Tuesday. This is also going to be on Canvas. Okay, so that's pretty easy. And we're just going to be practicing the present tense, the past tense, and the future tense. So if you have any questions, you can email Miss Chia on Teams. You can send me a message on Teams, but there will be a sub. I'm going to ask you if the sub gives you any work, don't do the work. Just do this work that I'm giving you because I won't take any excuses. Okay? All right. Love you guys. I miss you already. Have a great day.